What it do, what it do, what it do, good people, coming to you live from Taz TV 410. I'm your host, Taz Dean. I ain't gonna hold you long. I ain't gonna hold you long at all. Going into this weekend, I feel so good people. When I say I feel good, I feel good. I can get on here and I can rant about all the negative that's been going on in Baltimore and in this country. However, I'm not. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna salute, because I feel so proud right now. You see what you talking about, Chaz? We got a Tyler Jackson. We got a Autumn Fleury. You got one that's number 9 in the country, Tyler, down from St. Francis. You have Autumn at McDonough. She got the Player of the Year, Baltimore Sun Player of the Year, as a freshman. So sky's the limit for both. Sky's the limit for both. We got Ace Baldwin transferred from VCU up to Penn State this year. Very curious, and I believe that he will do good. He will show people that he can play on that next level in the NBA. We got Angel out here cross. I mean, she everywhere. You see Angel everywhere. You know, that's our superstar. I said it before in previous videos. You know what I'm saying? She's not the best basketball player, but she's damn good. And the reason why I say that, because she's getting she's getting some criticism. But listen here, good people. She's a college athlete. That means she has to work on her game, just like all the rest of them have to work on her game. But for right now, I'm gonna give her an A+. I'm gonna give her an A+. You dig? The foundation that she started for women, for girls, you know, she's definitely an inspiration, a positive inspiration for young girls coming up, not only in Baltimore, but in the nation and worldwide. So we gotta salute all that, you know. I mean, I've been going back and watching old videos, because I told you, it's the dry days in sports right now. Like I said before, the NBA I don't like their storylines. However, let me stay on track. I go back and look at old college games of my guys and girls. Now listen here, good people. We see and this go for girls and guys. This go for girls. We got Miss Gert, right? We gonna say Miss Gert Scott, Parade All-American, Towson Catholic. You know, we can't forget about we can't forget about her, man. We can't forget about her. I never seen her play, no, but all the articles that I done read, she was way above her time as far as handling the ball, shooting the ball, had the total package. She won national championships, Towson Catholic. 3 of them. So yeah, so we can't forget about the women that paved the way. We got Dana Johnson, first team All-American I seen year at Tennessee. These women that I grew up with.
At center for Tennessee, a 6'2" senior from Baltimore, Maryland, number 53, Dana Johnson. At center for Connecticut, a 6'2".
You don't see anybody out here trying to do a one-on-one as they have a 7.
Brenda Ellebring, her first bucket, 1-point game. Tucker off the bounce. She just finds a way to find the basketball. Great look inside. Shot clock is off. Pryor does it.
Good luck stopping her. Let's see if she can hit.
Tucker wide open. Pryor never forces the action between the legs. How about the spin? Yes!
Here's where, if you've got a team that runs the table.
Pryor, good look. How about a first half? She's got 9.
Oh my gosh.
And the response